Are you searching for best TIG welder? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best TIG welder in 2023. Number 1, XVOGEN Aluminum AC/DC TIG Welding Machine, brand name, XVOGEN, model number, HVT250P AC/DC, sold, 143, reviews, 52, rating, 4.9, features. The welding machine has the most advanced inverter technology. Welding power source can offer stronger, more concentrated and more stable arc. When stick and workpiece get short, its response will be quicker. It means that it is easier to design welding machine with different dynamic characteristics, and it can even be adjusted specially to make arc softer and also harder. The machine can be for multi-use, and can weld stainless steel, carbon steel, copper and other color metal, and also can use for traditional electric welding. Number 2, ANDELI AC/DC TIG Welding Machine, brand name, ANDELI, model number, TIG 250 AC/DC welder, sold, 26, reviews, 14, rating, 4.9. When it comes to achieving seamless, high-quality welds with utmost precision, the ANDELI AC/DC TIG welding machine stands out as a powerful ally for professional welders. This cutting-edge welding equipment combines the versatility of both AC and DC TIG welding, offering a comprehensive solution for a wide range of applications. The ANDELI AC/DC TIG welding machine boasts a host of features that make it an indispensable tool in the hands of professionals. With its advanced inverter technology, it delivers stable and consistent arc performance, ensuring uniform welds and minimized spatter. Its dual voltage capability allows for flexibility, making it suitable for both industrial settings and on-site projects. The machine's intuitive control panel and digital display provide easy access to precise settings, allowing welders to fine-tune parameters such as amperage, pulse frequency, and balance control. One of the key highlights of the ANDELI AC/DC TIG welding machine is its exceptional welding performance on both alternating current, AC, and direct current, DC, modes. The AC mode enables welding on materials with oxide layers, such as aluminum and its alloys, by breaking down the oxide and ensuring strong, clean welds. On the other hand, the DC mode provides excellent results when working with stainless steel, copper, and other conductive metals, offering superior stability and control throughout the welding process. Number 3, WF007A TIG Welding Machine, model number, WF007A, sold, 15, reviews, 7, rating, 5.0, cold wire feeder feeding machine digital controlled for pulse TIG welding. Advantages, apply to automatic TIG welding and TIG cold wire welding, printed motor, anti-sticking thanks to back draw, with inching function. Pulse feeding and delayed feeding is operational, application, precise brazing, spot welding, automatic TIG. Number 4, XVOGEN AC/DC HVT250P Aluminum TIG Welding, brand name, XVOGEN, model number, HVT250P AC/DC, sold, 78, reviews, 7, rating, 5.0, features. The welding machine has the most advanced inverter technology. Welding power source can offer stronger, more concentrated and more stable arc. When stick and workpiece get short, its response will be quicker. It means that it is easier to design welding machine with different dynamic characteristics, and it can even be adjusted specially to make arc softer and also harder. Number 5, JASIC AC220V Air-Cooled WSME200 TIG Welding, model number, WSME200, sold, 7, reviews, 4, rating, 4.8, product features, arc patented arc striking technology, millisecond spot welding response speed. The world's leading patented inverter technology makes the whole machine more efficient. Electronic arc stabilization technology ensures the stability of AC welding process, sine wave waveform output, soft arc sound, noise reduction of 20%, triangular wave waveform output. Suitable for thin plate material welding, the mixed mode output increases the depth of molten pool and reduces the burning loss of tungsten electrode. It can be equipped with foot switch to help reduce the difficulty of welding. Intelligent gas saving, self-control of gas flow system, saving 10-20% gas cost. Intelligent fan can save energy and reduce noise, reduce dust entry, and prolong the service life of the fan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.